How do you get this off?
Just rub it. Like this.
Oh no, my god.
This is so bad. Wow, it's like beeswax.
I remember when I got this, but Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, it was the greatest day of my life. I thought I would become a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, but it never happened. Also, I was 11, so I wasn't a teenager yet. So it didn't count. See? Yeah, it comes off. It does. It comes off kind of.
Yeah. But some stays.
How do you get the thing that stays off?
Just wash your hands. No, just keep rubbing that part until like you get like a solid thing, and then you take it off. You like slap it onto the rest of the slime.
Okay.
Here,
Like how?
it's like this.
Maybe so we can get a little bit of pink
Yeah,
in
you
her
can,
so you can have color.
What if I grab?
Yeah, just
Oh my gosh!
Deforming.
Try grabbing it and like lifting it up. Oh, I'll get the spoon for you.
Ah, my fingers are dying.
I'm still filming so you can add this in the to make it longer.
Okay, I know.
This is what Spider-Man deals with every day.
What?
I love Spider-Man.
When he deals like this.
Oh my gosh, I have a slime.
Being Spider-Man is hard.
I love being Spider-Man. I mean, what? I mean, I'm not Spider-Man.
I don't. What?
The slime has me.
What if slime is stuck to me?
You know what? You know what would be a good idea for children?
What?
Like a Venom themed one. Like, you know Venom, the super villain from Spider-Man? Yeah.
No.
Really? You don't know who he is?
No.
It's the black one.
I know.
Yeah. What? It's the black one, and then it's like Eddie
I'm
Brock
using
and stuff.
wine gate. What?
What is this? What is this trickery you're throwing at me? I will not have it. I will not have it in this house.
Balls.
Pooh.
Balls.
And the thing you do to
Yeah,
the
see
slime.
too. Thanks.
Kill the slime?
No.
slime's
Another thing
over.
you do to the slime, just like if you like do something.
I'm trying to get out the slime.
Oh wait, yeah,
The slime is stuck to me.
It
That
doesn't-
spoon is
it
stuck
doesn't
to
like
me.
put a log
The
there.
Oh,
spoon.
the spoon. Oh no, the spoon.
It feels
Oh
like
no, the spoon. Oh, it's stuck. Wait, hold on. I'll get it out. I'll get it out. I'm getting it out. I'm getting it out. It's. Oh my gosh, I'm doing it. See? Just keep playing with it, and it will get less. sticky.
Ah, Spider-Man.
look at my hand.
Crazy. See?
What?
Just
Whoa! How are your hands so clean?
because I kept playing with it. Just keep playing with it, and then it will get like this.
It's getting dirtier.
Yeah.
You just keep playing with
It's
it.
getting solid.
Just keep playing.
Okay.
Don't stop. Don't ever stop.
Ah.
Or else I'll destroy you.
Ah!
Get it back. Get it back. Put it back on the table.
Ah! Stop!
This is weird slime.
I don't know.
It feels weird.
The pink is on.
It looks like red now.
Do you wanna play with this so I can help your slime get more solid?
I want to play with it. Ah!
No.
No, it's okay. Alright.
I like playing with this purple slime.
I like my blue slime too.
Tell me when y'all's slimes are good so that we can
Is
mix
mine
it.
good?
Almost. Just keep going.
Mine is
Play! Oh, I'm playing
not
too
mine.
hard.
It's
Have
like,
you ever played Have you played Elden Ring?
I tried. I don't like it. The game mechanics are dumb.
They're doo-doo?
Yeah.
Doo-doo-doo-doo-dee. Well, I want to try that.
I'm picking up.
Good job, Ziva.
Am I doing good?
Whoa.
Almost there, dude.
I'm
do it.
almost done.
Yeah.
Am I almost done?
Kind of.
What?
Maybe like clean your hands. Yeah, just like
Yeah,
Is my slime done though?
almost. Oh yeah, it is.
But
Let's
mine-
just bunch it up together so that all the slime's there.
It's my choice.
Why is there like slime underneath your?
I have no idea.
What color is it? What color is it?
It's blue. Why? Why do you have so much slime everywhere?
Slap it! Slap it! Poke it. Slap it!
Ow!
That's not.
Wait.
Handprint!
Well, first we have to do the
Slap
test.
it! No, we do not.
I want you to test.
Slap it!
I want you to test.
Ow! You want to do the what?
The test, the slapping.
Bunch it up.
Okay.
Bunch
That's
it up.
it.
Slap it!
Okay.
Is this like pizza dough?
Yeah, kind
It
of.
feels a bit like pizza dough.
When you're looking at it, for me, when you're looking at it, it feels like slime.
I want to wash my hands.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Oh, it's almost 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock.
When are we gonna go to the firework thing?
I don't know.
Ah! You know why? Something, it was sticking to the plate and it was saying,
6
I
minutes.
don't want to
Okay.
go, I don't want to
I'll stop it or keep going.
Keep going.
Yeah. Oh my
Now that I wash my hands, the slime feels so weird.
How?
Like it feels more watery. Feels like more.
Mine looks like.
Oh, it sticks to the.
Yours look more perfect than us. But she
Maybe because I slapped. Maybe it's because I treated it like pizza dough.
Huh?
Just slap it up.
I'm trying to slap mine. It's like, oh my god, these are not.
Hey, careful, Ethan.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is my slime done?
Yeah, it's done.
What you mean?
Can I test
I'm
yours?
just gonna bunch mine up.
Oh, yours is good. Yours is really good. We did it. We did the slime.
Yeah, I
Okay,
think
now
I
what
want-
do we do? Put it together?
Do you want to put it together?
No, so
Okay.
you can like play with more slime and more.
Can
Oh,
I have
we
this
can-
one?
You can mix it up and then
We
make
can
3.
yeah, you can mix it up and then we can half it so we can all get slime.
Oh!
Wait, like one, wait,
No, you mean third it?
Yeah, third it.
like one gets a purple and one gets a.
Like
No,
this,
No,
Eva, look,
one
look.
gets all of the colors.
Like
But
we.
all
like
of
this.
the people gets all of the colors.
Yeah, all the people get all the colors.
So can we?
Yeah.
So we'll all have multicolored slime.
But
Yes, Eva.
it will get black.
No, no, it's not gonna black.
It doesn't work that
Ow,
way.
my hands hurt.
Maybe,
Slapping it then.
maybe just grab a little piece from Ethan and to show.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, can I have half of your slime?
How?
Just rip it. Very paper.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yeah, it's too big for me, you know.
Alright.
Look at my slime.
Oh.
Better now, no?
Yeah.
Sammy. Better now?
Slap it.
Better now?
Yeah, he's better. Give me half of your slime.
Ooh,
Slimy. Okay.
Give me half of your slime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready?
I only have purple.
Wait. Let me get like.
Ate,
let me put this in the
look at-
middle.
Ate Sam, can you give
We're making
some-
pizza.
No, no.
Ay, hindi.
Oh, it looks so nice.
Oh, that looks
watch.
Urza.
Urza, no.
We'll watch.
Oh.
No, 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 no.
Oh. Can I have?
Just
look.
Okay.
Let's put more colors.
Okay, baby. Okay, hold on.
You cannot touch it.
Wait, let's make another.
Oh, you want another one?
Yeah.
Oh, baby, no.
I want red. Can I have
Let's
red?
put the other pieces together.
Oh, so we have under
together.
team.
No, baby, you're
Oh,
too
this
young.
slime. This
You're
feels
too
so.
young to play with
This
slime.
is so weird. That's amazing.
Do you wanna put
now
the
I'm
rest
gonna
of it
slap it
together?
and hurt my hands again.
You want to put the rest of it together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Or you want to keep your violet one?
Wait, what do you mean?
Like put
I mean,
put
your
the
purple
rest
one.
together.
Do you wanna do these two together, or do you want to keep that?
I think I want to get the
You wanna
So
keep it?
all of us get 2 slimes. That's pretty cool.
Crazy. I'm gonna.
Look at my slime. I
I'm
got
gonna-
2 slimes. 1 and 2.
I'm gonna absorb mine. Here, Enrique, it's your food.
Oh wait, I can put more blue into mine, right?
Yeah, we can all mix it together.
More blue. Wait, can I put this one or this one?
Yeah, if you want, you can do whatever you want, yeah. Because
Yeah.
we're done playing. We're done making the slime. Now we can just do whatever.
Ew, dirty hands. Look at Ziva's hands and Tessa's hands.
I think mine's really
Yeah.
dirty.
Hands dirty. You want their
Mix
hands
it
It's
like
okay if
this,
you
like
mix
this.
it.
No
Now it's
way.
okay if you mix it now, because
Not
that's
for
now
kids.
yours.
Yeah, it's yours now.
Oh, look how blue this side is.
Yeah.
Gotta mix like this. I'm gonna be some twisty with blisty. What am I even saying? And I made some slime. Maybe a bit more blue in the
I
inside.
want a bit more red, because like my
Can I have some red?
Sorry,
The slime.
Enrique ate it.
They're doing the slime.
no.
Can I have a bit?
No,
Can I have a bit of Enrique?
here's,
Eat Enrique!
here's a
Yeah.
bit of Enrique.
Yeah!
No way.
Enrique.
I like this
Don't
tiny.
I have some of Enrique.
Oh my god!
Do you want some of Enrique? I
Yes.
don't think there's any Enrique left.
What?
Enrique. Do you want more Enrique? Enrique.
This is my slime now.
Here's some more Enrique.
It's sticky.
What if I eat your slime?
Gooey. Like
The battle of the slimes
Right.
begins.
Here's that. Right.
This is so like, oh.
I love
Who wants some
Enrique.
blue?
Me. Yay. I
Me
can have it?
too.
Yeah,
Okay, let's half it.
I have too much blue in mine.
Enrique.
I have too much. Wait, can I have a bit of that thing? Like it's just a small piece.
Enrique. Oh my gosh. There's a bit.
I want a little bit blue on with my purple.
Oh, this is amazing. Oh wait, is there still a bit more red?
No,
Oh.
the red's gone.
No.
Mine's like the most red out of all
Mine's
of y'all.
the most purple.
Yours is the most blue.
What?
Mine
This
is
is purple.
It's blue.
Mine is the most purple.
Slap!
I'm putting
Slap it.
They're
Poke
slapping the
I'm
slime
putting-
because
poke
it's
it.
making
Your-
their hands
Yeah, I
dirty.
think this.
Mine looks like a liver.
So this is my slime.
Can I have a
Let's
bit
end
of
the
purple?
video.
Oh my god,
Send
this
that
is
video.
so good.
Let's end the video.
That's why we
Turn
should,
off?
Yeah.